Well, those two birds closest to the tree base, I guess, or those are Inca doves, and the two outer birds are northern cardinals, and they're the females. Did you see that? That's the northern cardinal male that just passed by. The ink dove primarily eats seeds and grains, frequently foraging in small flocks. Now, there is a bird feeder above this, and I imagine when the birds are up top feeding on it, they throw the seeds on the ground. So that's what those guys are eating. Their habitat is basically parks like these, areas like these in suburban areas. They feel protected in that area. And the sounds they make are ooh, ooh, ooh. Or some people say no ho, no ho, no ho. I don't like that one. I'd rather go hoo hoo, hoo hoo. They're not very good nesters. They don't build them very well. But in the area that they build them, they are pretty safe. Their predators are there, but not overwhelming. These birds can also survive 4 to 5 days without drinking any water. And down here in South Texas, that could be a possibility. So their bodies can withstand this harsh conditions this summertime brings. The bird passing by is a black crested titmouse. Now this particular red-winged blackbird is what they call a breeding male, and that's because the red on the wings is very bright. Now this is also a red-winged blackbird, and it's also a male, but since it doesn't have the bright red on it, it is considered a non-breeder. And by the way, that was a starling that just landed in, and they're pretty cool birds too. They often flock with the red-winged blackbirds. orange bird is called a hooded oriole. In the, I'm not really sure why they call it a hooded oriole when the Baltimore oriole actually has the black hood over its head. Have you noticed how the hooded oriole chased off all those other birds? The hooded oriole, I'm sure that all the orioles, they do have the other birds, I guess, really respect them. And if they don't, if the hooded oriole doesn't want them on that tree stump, they're going to leave. Well, that's one fine specimen of a red-winged blackbird. They're beautiful colors in that If I haven't introduced you yet, this is the green jay. Fascinating bird. And it really, what's really great about these birds is they don't mind you watching them. They love it, actually. There's a lot of activity, interesting to watch. Here, the birds are coming in and out. It's not completely in focus because of the huge tree in the background, but the activity still makes it quite interesting. female red-winged blackbird. No markings of red wing at all. Still a pretty bird though. Now the red-winged blackbird is not down here all year round like that. There may be a few here and there, but when the big flocks are here, they've usually migrated down in January through March is when they're down here in the big flocks. So they're quite another enjoyable bird. A new arrival I haven't introduced you to. That's the white-winged dove that just left.
Check out our new product line of refrigerator magnets. Of birds found in the Rio Grande Valley.
Check out our new Rio Grande Valley refrigerator magnets.
ROR!
ArroyoRiverRat.com. They're great. Get yours today.